In this video I'm reviewing the Invision MX450 monitor arm and Vesa mounting a 27-inch Max Studio display to the desk. I'm going to cover how to assemble the arm and how to use it. If you're looking for a really great monitor arm, then you're in the right place. The arm is suitable for 22-inch to 32-inch screens with Vesa 75mm and 100mm plate connections. It can hold 3 to 12 kg screens, which works out at 6.6 pounds to 26.5 pounds. The arm weighs approximately 4.2 kg or 9.2 pounds. And if you want one, the links are in the description below. The reason I chose this arm: firstly, it looks well built and a modern design which could fit nicely on my desk. It has gas spring which makes moving the monitor around buttery smooth. Then there's the reviews on Amazon, over 3,600 positive ratings, of which 80% are 5-star. Monitor arms generally start from $30 all the way up to $400. The MX450 is around $60. Assembly. In the box you get everything you need except for a screwdriver, but I'm pretty sure you all have one. Upon opening the box, the instructions are on top and they are really good instructions. I'm not a DIY person, I can easily follow the clearly labelled guide. You get a clear pack with your Allen keys, bolts and other bits which are labelled in packages, so you really can't go wrong or get confused assembling this. The second arm was under the layer of cardboard. I laid out all the parts. First step, assemble the desk mounting bracket, remove the plastic cable holder, use the 4 C-bolts to attach the base plate, screw the base plate to the desktop, turning clockwise to tighten. Take the lower arm and connect it to the base. Use the 3mm Allen key to tighten up the grub screw, this locks the arm in place. Attach the faceplate to the monitor using bolt G. Tighten up with a 5mm Allen key. The instruction guide recommends using the cable management next, but as I'm experimenting with desk layouts, I'll add that a bit later on. Connect the upper monitor arm to the lower one. It'll just slide into place. Then you want to tighten up the grub screw the same as you did before till it's tight. Mounting the monitor. Add the 2 bolts first, tightening about halfway in. Keep a screwdriver close by. Make sure you have a firm grip on the monitor, slide it into place and tighten the top 2 bolts. Then add the lower 2 bolts. On the base there's a slot for a USB connection which can be fed up the monitor arm. Connect the cables and power up the screen and it's ready to go. You can fine tune the balance by adjusting the arm here. For me, the balance was perfect out of the box. I did notice that it's easy to get fingerprints on it and scratch it. Some of the paint came off from lying on my desk, which is a bit of a shame, but realistically, how often do you look at the back of the monitor? So that's not really an issue. The Mac Studio came with a 1 meter Thunderbolt cable, which would restrict the distance you can have the monitor from the computer, so I'd maybe get a 2 meter Thunderbolt cable to allow for more mounting options. What's the arm like to use? Well, it's a large ergonomic monitor arm ideal for large screens. The MX450 delivers an optimum ergonomic solution by virtue of its size, flexibility and range of viewing angles. Its gas spring counterbalances the weight of the screen, allowing easy adjustment to the required position and allowing a safe and comfortable working position. It delivers best in class for height and reach and is capable of 360-degree screen rotation from landscape to portrait. The movement is so light you can use your fingertips and it's effortless. You can always find the perfect viewing angle without the need to reassemble your mount. It offers the perfect solution, providing greater range of height and reach adjustment, giving you a wide range of viewing angles. Optimising your workstation and screen position correctly can have a huge impact on your productivity, health and well-being. With a multi-monitor setup, it's really handy to be able to make the screen portrait for reading scripts or edit notes. It gives you way more options than a regular stand. Extra strong and sturdy construction, the MX450 is designed with extra strength and stability in mind, and it's built to last. It's made with a reinforced streamlined die-cast alloy frame and a steel ring compression swivel fittings to ensure reliable positioning and zero sagging. Compared to mechanical arms, this far outweighs others on the market. All moving parts are tested to Invision's 20,000 real-life motion test, ensuring years of trouble-free adjustment and backed with a 2-year warranty. Overall, I'm super happy with this monitor arm. Invision have done a great job. It's easy to assemble, it's a good price, a very flexible monitor arm, which is nicely weighted and smooth to use. Well guys, if you found this useful, please leave a comment below and smash that thumbs up button. If you didn't like it, well, smash that dislike twice. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.